U.S. appeals courts to consider the legality of Trump's latest travel ban. Federal appeals courts in the states of Washington and Virginia are set to hear arguments this week on the legality of President Donald Trump's most recent travel ban, which sharply limits visitors and immigrants from 8 countries, 6 of them Muslim-majority. Challengers, including the state of Hawaii and immigrant advocacy organizations, have argued the ban is discriminatory and violates the U.S. Constitution. The Trump administration says it is necessary to protect the United States from terrorist attacks. The 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, which is based in San Francisco, will hold a hearing in Seattle, Washington on December 6 and the Richmond, Virginia-based 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals has its hearing on December 8. Soon after taking office in January, Trump signed an order temporarily barring all refugees and visitors from 7 predominantly Muslim countries. The decision led to chaos at airports and numerous legal challenges and was eventually replaced by the administration with a second, somewhat narrower order. When the second ban expired in September, Trump replaced it with a presidential proclamation indefinitely restricting travel from Iran, Libya, Syria, Yemen, Somalia, Chad, North Korea, and barring certain government officials from Venezuela. The administration said the restrictions were put in place after a worldwide review of each country's ability to issue reliable passports and share data with the United States. After the most recent order was issued, the same challengers who sued to stop the earlier bans went back to court. They said the new version still discriminates